Hey everyone, Tim Schofield here, and I just posted my unboxing of the new iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. I can link to that down below, but in this video, it's time to check out the new Apple Watch in two different forms. The new Series 10 from Apple gives you the option of aluminum or titanium. The titanium one being a little bit more expensive, but I have both of them here, and the aluminum one comes in a new jet black color. So we're gonna check out that jet black plus the titanium Apple Watch Series 10. The regular iPhone 16 unboxing video is coming very soon. Be sure to subscribe so you're notified when that goes live and all future content on the new Apple Watch. But anyways, we're gonna take a quick look what comes in the box of these two, put them up side by side, compare them, talk about the differences, and then get them all set up and test them out. Let's get started. As usual, fairly plain packaging on the outside. Opening up our jet black aluminum model first. Here we go, just some nice design on the inside, and our two boxes. Same process for our natural titanium. There is a gold titanium option as well. I decided to go with the natural. Opening jet black first. This is the 46mm option. There's our watch on the left side, designed by Apple in California. You've got a little booklet plus your charger right here via USB Type-C. It's a braided cable. A close-up of the connection. So let's check out that jet black color for the first time. Oh man, that was a little rough, but there we go. It is turning on for the first time, but really sleek, sort of glossy coloring along the right here. If you look really closely, there is an off-colored circle on the digital crown there with some texture on the crown itself. The back has a lot of information about the watch itself etched into it. And on the left, openings for the speaker and the microphone. Opening the Lake Green Sport Loop Band. I went a little different this year. I generally go with the blue color, which is telling by my Series 9 Apple Watch. We'll put those side by side in just a second. Connection of the band was super simple. Just slide it into you hear a little click on both the top and the bottom. Simple. All right, on to that natural titanium. And here we are. On the left side's our watch. Exact same stuff on the inside. Again, went with the 46mm option, natural titanium. Let's take a first look. Oh my gosh, this is not good. There we go. So here it is. Right away I can tell a little bit of a difference just in the coating and the coloring. On the front here is actually that sapphire crystal as opposed to the glass on the front. So a little bit different there. We'll talk about that in just a second. Same off-color circle on that crown. We got our button, microphone there. There are our cutouts, just tiny, tiny grills there. And of course, same thing, a lot of information etched into the back of the Series 10 watch. And this is the Milanese loop band. Let's grab our band and attach it. Just a quick close-up of that mesh design of the band. Looks really sleek. Same process here, just sliding our watch in. It's booting up. I press and held that crown button. And then same thing on this side until you hear just a little click. There we have it, our band is on. Grabbing our iPhone 16 Pro, I'm going to set up our Apple Watch, talk about anything that's noteworthy. Double tap comes to the Series 10 to answer calls, see your smart stack, and more. This is cool. The Depth app will open up and let you know the temperature, time, and depth up to 20 feet. While things are getting set up, I wanted to talk about the glass that's on the outside of both. You can sort of see how the reflection is just a little bit different. At least to my eye, I can tell the difference. So titanium and aluminum isn't the only material difference. The regular aluminum uses glass, whereas you get sapphire on the titanium, so it's definitely going to be stronger, hold up against scrapes and scratches more, and in my opinion, just looks more clean, a little bit more premium. Obviously, having that Milanese band helps as well in terms of it looking and feeling more premium too. Welcome to Apple Watch. We are all set up on this one, ready to go. Let's set up our titanium watch. In the meantime, pointing out the app will allow you to change your watch faces, control notifications, access your smart stack for live activities, and more. This is where you can customize the gestures for the double tap where you want it to skip or play pause, also advance or select in terms of smart stack. All right, both watches are all set up and ready to go. A look at the larger display on the Series 10. Look at this watch face on the titanium. It actually sort of shimmers and shifts as you orient it differently. It's actually really cool. A couple other improvements. It's a thinner Apple Watch and actually charges faster as well. This band just uses a magnet right here and it just sort of sets on there. It's actually really strong. So let's put these both on my wrist for the first time. Finding what's comfortable and just resting it down. It's very secure. I'm not worried about it falling or anything. And just for the sake of the video, I'll put this on my right wrist. I don't know if I've ever really worn a watch on my right wrist, but regardless, there they are side by side. They look really good, honestly, and they're brighter at an angle as well. That's something new, just the viewing angles, which is great. If you want to quickly glance at it, you can just see a brighter screen. So clearly one's a little bit more sporty and one's just a little bit more professional with that titanium look. And obviously the band does make a big difference as well. But don't get me wrong, this jet black still looks really good. Apple also introduced sleep apnea detection while you are sleeping in case that's an issue for you. So that'll be nice to be able to detect that. I'm honestly gonna have a pretty tough time choosing between these two. They both look really good, honestly. And again, that more of a peace of mind with that titanium build and that sapphire on the top as opposed to glass. And just a quick look side by side. The middle one is the Series 9 watch. Just wanted to show them off. Just a little bit different. Obviously with the 45 millimeters, you can definitely tell that the Series 9 is thicker. It's just a little bit thicker than the 10. Side by side, just a noticeable difference between the two. And finally, just one more quick look side by side between the two. Drop a comment. Let me know which design you like more, which Series 10 watch you're gonna go with, the aluminum build, potentially jet black, or you're going with the titanium. So let me know. A lot more to come, so be sure to click that subscribe button. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching.